Learn how to analyze the Jacto PB-25 battery-powered shears if there's no response when you try to turn the equipment on. Note: we recommend carrying out the process on a flat surface such as a work table. Make sure you carry out the test with a fully functioning and charged battery. To make sure the battery is working normally, turn off the shears and remove the battery. With the multimeter in hand, set it to 20 volts DC. Connect the black probe to the battery's negative terminal. Then, connect the red probe to the battery's positive terminal. Note: connect the test leads to the appropriate terminal to avoid damaging the battery. The battery voltage must be between 12 and 16.8 volts. If the battery voltage is in the indicated range, it is fit for use. If the battery voltage is outside the indicated range, the battery may be damaged. Note: if the voltage is different from that indicated, use another battery with the correct voltage. Using a battery with a voltage between 12 and 16.8 volts and with the shears disconnected from the cable, connect the battery to the holder and measure the terminals that connect to the shears. The voltage must be the same as that indicated during the battery test. If the voltage is different, there are problems with the cable, the battery holder circuit board, or the adapter circuit board. To correct the error, replace the individual parts or replace the adapter and shears cable set. If the voltage is between 12 and 16.8 volts, the main PCB must be replaced. Note: to carry out the process of replacing the main PCB correctly, watch the videos on replacing the main PCB.